Based in Houston and also in Cambridge, England, ARKeX is a geophysical surveying company that's using proven technology to deliver a whole new methodology for geological surveying. That system is called BlueQube. BlueQube is a powerful new imaging tool that can either stand alone or sit alongside seismic and EM. It provides geophysicists, geologists, and exploration managers with an accurate picture of the subsurface geology. BlueQube acquisition includes world-leading gravity gradient imaging instrumentation, together with high-resolution magnetics, video, and LiDAR. BlueQube measures the rate of change of rock density in the form of gravity gradients. The increased bandwidth and higher signal-to-noise ratio over conventional gravity systems means that smaller or more deeply buried features can be surveyed and imaged in more detail. The result is a more accurate Earth model than has ever been possible before. Let's see how BlueQube combines with other technologies to build up a much more detailed picture of what's underground. Standard 2D seismic shows a vertical section into the ground, but no lateral coverage. In order to get a fuller picture, expensive and often difficult 3D seismic may have to be carried out. In contrast, BlueQube is airborne. The airplane flies a crisscross search pattern, measuring gravity gradients at high resolution, quickly and inexpensively, with no ground impact. The resulting data are then carefully processed and interpreted to give a 3D map like the one you see here. By combining the 2D seismic data with gravity gradient data, real decisions can then be made about whether to lease, where to locate 3D seismic, or even where to drill. BlueQube's unique abilities can help you at every stage in the exploration process, from frontier exploration and prospect identification through to prospect evaluation. Since starting commercial operations in 2004 with one airplane, ARKeX continues to go from strength to strength, adding more survey aircraft and experienced personnel to meet the growing demands. Most of the flying is carried out at about 300 feet to preserve as much geologic signal as possible. The BlueQube airplane flies a precise grid pattern over the area and builds the data into a horizontal map, which gives a much more representative picture of the geology. BlueQube can add new data to help flag up fresh possibilities in prospective areas. As you can see, by working from the air and not the ground, BlueQube can cover large areas more quickly than traditional surveying methods. Frontier exploration in particular often involves difficult terrain like mountains, forests, and deserts. BlueQube simply flies above these. And importantly, political, environmental, and permit problems are easily overcome because BlueQube is non-invasive. All that adds up to cost-effective, detailed geologic information and a better chance of success in less time and for less overall cost. Turning a lead into a prospect is a time-consuming and often risky process. BlueQube can help here too. Normally, 3D seismic would be used to assess an area, but that can be prohibitively expensive and difficult. BlueQube helps to turn leads into real prospects quickly, affordably, and accurately, letting you concentrate on the areas that will give you the best returns and locate your seismic where it will count. To get the best results from the survey, the data must be correctly processed and correctly interpreted. With highly skilled geologists and geophysicists in-house, ARKeX is an acknowledged leader in this field. Back in Cambridge, they pore over the mass of data. They know that it must be correctly processed and interpreted to give the best results. Hills and mountains are subtracted from the picture and noise is filtered out. The result is a gravity gradient map that can identify areas for further investigation or drilling. Sometimes even the best seismic data can fail to deliver in complex geological situations, leaving you with uncertainty over your prospects. For example, deposits of salt or basalt can give imaging difficulties. BlueQube gives extra information to help build a better picture, so you can make decisions with confidence. That is now. Already, gravity gradiometry has proven itself in the field. But technology advances all the time, and ARKeX is already working on the successor to make BlueQube even better. This machine is the Exploration Gravity Gradiometer, or EGG for short. With superconducting coils operating at -269 degrees centigrade, it offers a sensitivity almost 10 times better than its predecessors and will be coming online just as soon as testing is complete. The future is indeed ARKeX.